Hey guys, it's me, Queen. I know it's been a while. I missed you guys. However, I got some great news. I am about to explain to you all how I boost my credit score within 3 months from a 479 to a 623. Okay, very simple steps. I use the free credit scores just to, sites just to keep up with it, to make sure that they all kind of ranged in the same, to make sure that I was progressing the way that I need to be. So my TransUnion is 623, my Equifax is 623, and my Experian is 623. I've gotten locked out of one of my accounts, so I'm not able to pull up my Experian. I'm sorry about that. However, we're just going to jump right into it, okay? So immediately, I had been hearing about Fingerhut being a great credit rebuilder company. I checked them out. I put in my social security number. It gave me a credit limit, which was here, and I put $30 down. Now, depending on your credit limit and what you purchased, you will have a payment of $6.99 and $7.99 a month, just depending on what it is. Mine was $6.99, but I didn't up to 6 months, and I just didn't have the patience to wait 6 months for that. So I thought it would be a good idea if I just put money on it every week, and I paid it off before the pay date. I wanted to establish, a few rows of payments, just to build that history. Once I did that and I paid it completely off, they revolved my unsecured to a revolving credit line. They did give me a boost, which was $300. In my credit line, I only use 17%. They only suggest that you use 7% of whatever credit limit any borrower gives you. However, I did went over, and because uh, your credit usage is your credit usage is 30% of your score, it makes a huge impact. I'm trying to see here. Credit line, inquiries account. Let's see if it's gonna say it here. Yeah, so here, credit tip. So yeah, your credit usage is 30%. So they want you to use under 30%, but typically it's 7%. Okay. Yeah, so that's all I did. That's all I did, guys. Just Fingerhut and kept track of it with these, and I disputed online and through mail with dispute documents, formal, legal dispute documents, and I was able to get off. Let me see if I can count this off for you guys. Let's see. Dashboard. This is the dashboard. Hold on, guys. Let's see. I'm trying to get to the dispute center. Not there. I want to show you guys. Let's see, maybe here. Okay, so on this page here, let's count. That's one closed account that fell off through a dispute. 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this was in January. Okay. So from January to now, I was able to get 9 accounts removed from my account, and my credit score has been booming. I've been waiting on hard inquiries to fall off so that I can open up another account with a higher credit line, which is $5,000 to purchase my new home. That's what I'm working towards right now, amongst other things. So yeah, get your fingerhead account, keep track with credit wise, credit karma, sesame seed credit, credit sesame seed, whatever, and you guys will be on your way. I should have some updates soon in reference to the second go round with using the tactics that I used the last 3 months, and we're going to see how it works out. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, I hope this was some help for you all. And if you like, go ahead and subscribe for upcoming videos. If you're new, go ahead and go back so you can figure out who I am. And we'll go from there. You guys be blessed, okay? Peace.